Welcome to my channel, and today I have a burger from Lidl. We have here in Germany, in every town there's a minimum one Lidl. Well, Lidl has some different burgers. I tried the beef beans bacon burger, and today I try the royal one for the microwave oven. Yeah, 600 watt, 19 seconds. Lecker means tasty. Well, the ingredients: there's a bun, some cheese, salad sauce, there's the patty, yeah, some spicy sauce with bacons, onions, cheese, and the bun. Yeah, so let's open it up and then let's walk to the microwave oven. In 90 seconds we have our meal. There it is. Wow. As far as I can tell you, these burgers have the same size. That's great. They are bigger in size than a hamburger from McDonald's or Burger King. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice. Wow. Yeah. Underneath the cheese, there's some sauce. Oh, nice. Wow. So let's go over to the microwave oven, heating it up, and have some food.